Now question number C. Write the first 5 multiples. Number 1, 8. So 8 table we have to write till 5. So first we will start 8 1 the 8. Then 8 2 the 16. 8 3 the 24. 8 4 the 32. 8 5 the 40. So answer we will write the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Okay, this way we have to find first 5 multiples. Now second is 5. So we have to write 5 table till 5. So 5 1 the 5. 5 2 the 10. 5 3 the 15. 5 4 the 20. 5 5 the 25. So we will write here answer the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now number 3, 7. So 7 table we have to write till 5. 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 14. 7 3 the 21. 7 4 the 28. 7 5 the 35. Answer the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Now number 4, 6. 6 1 the 6. 6 2 the 12. 6 3 the 18. 6 4 the 24. 6 5 the 30. So we will write here answer the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Now number 5, 12. So 12 1 the 12. 12 2 the 24. 12 3 the 36. 12 4 the 48. 12 5 the 60. So answer the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Now number 6. 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 2 the 8. 4 3 the 12. 4 4 the 16. 4 5 the 20. So we will write here answer the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Question number 3, A. Find the LCM. Here we are going to find LCM. So number 1, 5 and 6. So first of all we have to take out a prime factorization for 5. So 5 will come in 5 table. 5 1 the 5. Okay. Then we will take out prime factorization for 6. So in 2 table 6 will come. Yes. 2 3 the 6. Then 3 1 the 3. Now we have to write the factors. For 5, 5 is the factor. Then for 6, 2 multiplied by 3. Now we have to take out a common factor. Here any common factor is there? No. So we have to multiply all factors. In LCM we have to multiply common factor and all factors. Okay. So the LCM is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 5 2 is 10. 10 3 is 30. So we will write the LCM of 5 and 6 equal to 30. Now number 2, 7 and 4. So first we have to take out prime factorization for 7. So 7 will come in 7 table, 7 ones are 7. Then we have to take out for 4. 4 will come in 2 table, 2 twos are 4. Then 2 ones are 2. Now we have to write the factors for 7. So 7 is the factor for 7. Then for 4, 2 multiplied by 2. Here any common factor is there? Common means same factor. No. So we will now find the LCM. LCM equal to 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. So we will write the LCM of 7 and 4 equal to 28. Now number 3, 4 and 12. So first we have to take out prime factorization for 4. So 4 will come in 2 table. So 2 twos are 4. Then 2 ones are. Now for 12, 2 6 are 12. Then 6 will come in 2 table again. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 ones are 3. Now we will write the factor for 4, 2 multiplied by 2. For 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Here common factor 2 and 2. So the LCM is, we have to write common factor and remaining factor also. So one time we will write the common factor. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So the LCM of 4 and 12 equal to 12. Now number 4, 20 and 25. So we have to take out prime factorization for 20. So 20 will come in 2 table, 2 tens are 20. Then 2 fives are 10. Then 5 ones are 5. Now for 25. So here in ones place which digit is there? 5, odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. So if in 3 table also it will not come. In 4 table also it will not come. So we will take directly 5 5s are 25. Then 5 ones are 5. Now we will write the factors for 20. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now for 25, 5 multiplied by 5. So your common factor 5. And now we have to find the LCM. LCM is 2 multiplied by 2, and the common factor we will write one time. Then this 5. We have to multiply 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 25s are 100. The LCM of 20 and 25 equal to 100. Now number 5, 8 and 9. So we have to take out first prime factorization for 8. In 2 table 8 will come? Yes. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now for 9. 9 will not come in 2 tables. It will come in 3 tables. So 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So now we have to write the factors for 8. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. For 9, 3 multiplied by 3. Here not any common factor is there. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are, we will multiply and see. 3 4s are 12. 1 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 72. The LCM of 8 and 9 equal to 72. Okay students, this way remaining sums you have to do like this way. Okay, thank you.